This is our street, it's where we live. We love to play together.
Quick, Tim!
Just like you, and just
Topsy,
like us,
run!
and we'll be friends forever.
Go, Tim!
We can be anything if we close our eyes and dream. We can play day after day, and the fun will never end. This is our street, it's where we live, so let's all play together and be best friends forever.
Hello! It's us! Topsy! And Tim! It's the day we start school. I'm wide awake. Come on. Remember this? On the day we started big school, I woke up very early. I was too excited to sleep. Tim, are you awake? I can't sleep anymore. Tim, wake up. We're starting big school today. Shh. You'll wake up Mummy and Dad. It's still really dark outside, look. Oh, yeah. I can only just see our twin swings from in the bathroom window. I love our twin swings. Me too. Do you remember when Dad built the twin swings and he lost all the bolts? Oh, yeah. And do you remember we found the bolts and you and Kerry found the frog? Oh, yes, I remember.
Oh, no. There's a hole in my pocket. The bolts must have fallen through.
Oh, don't worry, Dad. That's a job for us. We'll find them.
Good. Go, 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 go.
Come on, Kerry. Oh, sorry, Mummy.
Oh, excuse me.
Tony and I searched the living room. Come on, Tony. If we don't find all the bolts, then the twin swings won't get built. Here's one. I found a bolt. I found one too. There's a bolt. Where? There. Oh, great. Got it. And look, there are 2 more bolts here in the hallway. I've got 2 and you've got 3. That makes 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 bolts. Carrie and I found 2 bolts by the back door, and now we're searching in the grass. Another bolt! Where? Do you see anything else? No. Oh, look! What? A frog. Where? Look, it's a garden frog. Try stroking it, Carrie. Look, I'm scared he's gonna hop off. He won't.
Mary, wash your hands if you've touched a frog, please.
Okay. Do you think Mummy and Dad are awake yet? No. I think we're the only people awake in our road. So quiet, listen. I can hear a cat meowing. Oh, do you think it's Tiger Fluffy Boots? It might be. I hope he's not stuck up in a tree again. Oh, no. Do you remember when we had to rescue him? Oh, yes. I remember. So do I. Even though we're worried about Tiger Fluffy Boots, we can't help getting excited when a fire engine comes down our road and pulls up on our drive. One of the firemen is Carson, who is our friend Kerry's dad. He'll rescue Tiger.
Oh, I can see the problem. All right, lads, let's get the ladder off the truck. Right, careful, boys, careful. There you go. Keep going. That's it, yeah. Ladder's pitched.
Grandma arrives just when Carson is up the ladder rescuing Tiger.
Okay.
Is that Tiger up there, Mrs. Higgly Piggly's cat?
Yeah.
There you go. Good boy. Here he is.
Ah.
Thank you, boss.
I'll take him.
No. Oh, thanks, Carson.
No problem.
Hello, Tiger.
Tim, I've got an idea. What? Let's get dressed into our school uniforms and surprise Mummy and Dad. Topsy, I don't want to. Please, can you go back to your own room? Okay. Tim, please may I take the number 5 balloon into my room? Oh, okay, but look after it. We want to keep it forever, don't we? Yes. Our birthday party was really good. Yes, it was the best. All our friends came, remember? There's a chair for everyone to sit on at the party table. And lots of food.
Are you ready for a big surprise?
Yes, yeah. It's a dino butterfly cake. There are dinosaurs and butterflies on our cake.
Big deep breath.
Everyone sang and we blew out our candles. Then we played more games and it was time for our friends to go home. Tim, look, I'm getting ready for school.
Topsy, Tim, are you out of bed? I thought I heard something. What are you two up to?
Topsy couldn't sleep. I'm too excited about going to big school tomorrow.
Oh, Topsy, it's far too early for you to get up and put your new school uniform on. I think that you should have another snooze in your own bed with your pyjamas on, okay?
Okay, Mummy.
Good girl. Come on, let's take this off. There's a good girl.
What do you think our first day of school will be like, Topsy? It will be absolutely brilliant. Night-night, Tim. Night-night, Topsy. And it was good. Starting at our new school was amazing. When we got to the school gates, we saw lots of children. Some of our friends from nursery were there. And Anderson! Oh, and Steve Dunton! Hello, Andy Anderson. Hi, Topsy. Hi, Oh, I love your school uniform. I love yours too. We already have lots of friends at our new school. Hi, Gary.
Welcome, everyone. Now, once I ring this bell, I would like you to say goodbye to whoever brought you to school today and walk nicely into the classroom. It's time to begin your first day at Hatcham Primary School. Are we all ready?
Yes! Have a lovely day.
Be good for Miss Terry.
We will. I'll miss you today, Mummy. Bye, Dad. Bye, Mummy.
Now listen, Dad and I will be waiting right here, Topsy and Tim, for the end of the school day.
And we want to hear all about it.
Go on, you go and have fun at big school, my twin-tastic Topsy and twin-tabulous Tim.
We will! I love you, Mummy. Love you, Mummy. Love you, Dad.
Love you both too.
Off you go, Topsy.
This is our street, it's where we live, so let's all play together. Be best friends forever.